Hi everyone, this is Priyanka. I'm an actor and a new mom and a YouTuber. Hello, how are you? I hope all of you all are fine, and today we are discussing about this new product which hi everyone. So I have a baby. For those who have joined just now, let me tell you that I am Priyanka Kalantri and I'm a new mom. I have a baby who's just 9 months old. His name is Vihan Kalantri, and I want to discuss about a lot of things which we go through and we get worried about our baby's skin, and our babies develop a lot of rashes and sometimes tiny boils and stuff like that. So for that reason, the I want to tell you what's the best thing which you can use right now in this climate, especially when this is very erratic. Sometimes you feel that it is very dry, sometimes you feel it's going to rain. So Neo's Baby Care is coming up with a very good product for all of us, and it is actually giving us you know first of all, let me tell you about the product. It's about the Atoderm Pa soap bar for the babies, and this is for especially dry skin for the babies. Babies get too much of dry skin when they are born. They adapt to the climate, and this their skin also is very it's very, what to say, fresh, and you don't want to use anything harsh on them. So at times, being a mom, I have realized that there are tiny things, tiny bumps on baby's skin. There are rashes which develop at times. There are a lot of things like redness which comes on the baby's skin. For that, I don't know what you guys are using, but I am very comfortable with the Bioderma products. I have been using it for my baby, and I still believe in it, and I'm till date using it for my 9-month-old baby, and his skin is improving day by day. Till date, whenever I see anything, like a rash or something, I use the Bioderma products. And especially for mothers like us, Bioderma has, a now new thing coming up in the market, which is called the Atoderm Pa Baby Bar Soap. It can also be used for adults, yes. If you have a dry skin or a very sensitive skin, why not? You can also use it. And the best quality about that soap, I want to discuss about these things which are very natural and acts naturally on the skin without disturbing the balance of the skin. It has a shea butter, which every mom swears by. I swear by shea butter. Whenever in fact, when I was pregnant and I was carrying Vihan, I was very scared of developing those stretch marks on my body. And usually moms get very worried when they see stretch marks developing on the body. So to avoid that part, shea butter is one of the best thing you can use on your body. So now imagine the main ingredient, I'm saying, the main thing what is used in it is shea butter and glycerine. You must have heard about glycerine, guys. Glycerine is what I think our grandmothers used to use glycerine for our face mask and for other things like curing any skin problem or something like face acne or something. We used to make glycerine and use it as a mask, and that used to work wonders for us. So now the Atoderm the soap bar for the baby is coming up with these two fantastic things, which is shea butter and glycerine. Yes. So I love both these things, and I'm so excited I can use this because as a mother, I have seen Vihan going through a lot of dry skin, itchiness at times. And when he was very small, he was 3 months old, he developed those little bumps on his face. Those tiny little bumps comes over here, And as the baby comes out of the womb, they take time to adapt according to the climate. So the doctor asked us to moisturize the baby, and the moisturizing once was not enough. And I was using few products which maybe didn't suit my child, and I could not understand at that time. But somebody told me about Bioderm, and I switched on to their products. And even for myself, since then I'm using Bioderm products, and I just swear by them. They are so good. Thank you, Bioderm. That's the Bioderma product which saved my baby's skin and my skin. And I think today, when we talk about baby's skin, it's very important to know what is disturbing their skin. Every baby has a different type of skin. Some babies have dry skin, some babies have oily skin, some babies have extra sensitive skin. So for those kind of skin, you don't want to disturb the balance, the physical, the psychological balance of the natural oils of the skin. Sorry, I think that was a connection error. Sorry for that. So what I was talking about, babies have different kind of skin, and when you talk about different kind of skin, you don't want to disturb the balance of the skin, like the natural oil. And it can actually aggravate the kind of reaction baby has. So you, as a mother, I am very careful about what I'm using on my baby, and I don't feel confident in using a lot of things. So guys, in between all this, I can see there are a lot of people who want to ask few questions, and I will be keeping the last 10 minutes. I am live till 5:30, guys, so don't worry, I will be answering most of the questions. And if you have anything, we will take it at the later part, maybe a 10-minute or a 15-minute question and answer. Till then, I'm sure you want to know exactly what I do with my baby's skin. And many people ask me, how do you manage to keep the baby skin very clear? It's not very easy, guys. It's not very easy to keep a baby's skin clear, because when they come out of the womb, there are a lot of things inside. There were things which was keeping the baby very naturally safe. But as they come out, the kind of climate we stay in, the kind of pollution we have around, that those kind of things actually disturb the skin. In fact, as a human being, as a mother, as a human, you will also see that your skin is very, very sensitive at times. When it's winters, when it's a rainy time, you will see there are a lot of changes which happens on your skin. So for that reason, you have to really take care of it. Use some natural remedies also. I think natural remedies, what can you use? Or at least I use a lot of glycerine, and I use a lot of things which will moisturize my skin. So what better couldn't be better, if you're getting a product in the market which already has these things, and you can simply use that on your body as well as on your face. Yeah, the face is the most sensitive part. It's the most sensitive part of your body. So face has to be taken care of in a very particular way. And when you remove your makeup, I try in the night, I usually love using baby's products. Yeah, they're very mild, they're very nice on the skin, they're very less harsh on the skin. So that is why I like using my baby's product, and sometimes we use the same kind of product for our the overall skin and the night routine. Yeah, I moisturize my baby twice in a day. So at times when I feel that there is a lot of dryness in the air, which happens every now and then nowadays, I try to moisturize my baby thrice, because there is a reason behind it. There's a story behind it. When Vihan was very small, what used to happen, I don't know how to explain that to you, but he kind of used to react with everything from clothing. You know, when you buy new clothes, sometimes the babies are not really ready to, you know, wear those clothes, the different texture, although we use organic cotton. But when it comes from out, I personally like to wash the clothes, sanitize them, and then make the baby wear. So at times when the routine is missed, if it is missed, it does reacts. um okay. So yes, so you know, I want to answer all your queries. Please be online, and I will be answering all your queries within the last 15 minutes. We will keep it like a question and answer thing. I will be answering everything. It is quite hot and it is quite humid right now. As you see, we all are feeling the heat, and since the rains are approaching, we do feel it is getting more humid nowadays. So for that, you know, my dermat always tells me, you know, to overly moisturize, use the baby creams more often on their skin. And even since you know, my son completed 2 months, initially I didn't start with the massages and all also. So my son completed 2 months, and since then I have been using very mild kind of products on him. So you know, moisturizing was one thing, but I was not comfortable using the any kind of oil for my baby. So I used to apply some cream and then moisturize and then, you know, massage my baby, and he used to happily sleep. For that reason, I feel you also can try a little more, you know, products like these instead of using oil. It's actually to each its own. You have to think about what your doctor tells you and what's your, of course, what your family decides. But for me, oils were actually a no-no, and I preferred using good branded quality products for my baby only. Whether you do the massage every day or you do it for you know, every alternate day also you can do. Sometimes people do it, you know, thrice in a week. I prefer doing it every alternate day, but with a very mild kind of cream. And I used to over moisturize my baby to avoid what happened for the first time. You know, I have a picture of my child when he got so many rashes on his skin, and I was so restless that night because it was just increasing and I was getting so worried. I actually called my doctor, I think around 10 times, to ask what was happening with my child's skin. And the only thing which I came to understand, which the doctors explained it to me, was, you know, due to this erratic weather we have, due to the Indian kind of weather, what we have different climates, and so our babies are not prepared to take those kind of things. The climates are, you know, so I swear by a few skincare tips which I want to share with you. One is to always keep the baby clean when you are feeding the baby. Always keep the baby clean. Like, you know, if there's anything like milk spilling all over his face or her face, or you know, there's something dropping on them, please wash it nicely, dry them nicely, and use a good nice moisturizer for them, a baby moisturizer. And now if I'm talking about a good moisturizer, you can now use the soap which I'm talking about, the Atoderm Pa soap, which is a baby moisturizing soap with glycerine and shea butter. And you don't have to moisturize that often. Don't you think that's the best thing what you can do with your baby? If the soap has everything you need, you don't really have to buy too many products. That actually saves a lot of money for you, because you're not spending on unnecessarily you know, unnecessary products and unnecessary lotions and oils and everything. You are only buying one thing which is solving your problem 100%. So I think that's what I feel. And now I think it is time. It is 5:15. I feel I can answer your questions now as promised. This is okay. So now I am going to answer your questions, since we have discussed quite a lot about the skin, the kind of weather, the climate. Okay. Right. So I'm just reading your questions one by one. Yeah, guys, it's a lockdown period, so you must be thinking, just a second, please. So it's a lockdown period. I want to know how you're spending your time. Okay, I'll read your questions. Okay. So lady at rants a lot. My nephew has very sensitive and dry skin. Is Atoderm Pass safe for him? I think it's the safest thing which is coming out. So it has two main things, which is it's used by our grannies since ages now. Glycerine and shea butter is the safest thing which you can use. It doesn't have any chemicals. It doesn't have anything harsh. So I'm sure that will also be very useful for your nephew if he has a very sensitive skin. And dry skin, of course, that goes for dry skin also. So dry skin is very it's helpful if you use. I am reading more questions, guys, so just bear with me. Yeah, the product can be useful for all skin type because it is specially made for dry skin, and it is also made for extra sensitive skin. So if you have a normal skin, you really don't have to worry about that. So yeah, there's a lockdown going on, guys. How are you spending your day? How are you taking care of your baby? I'm sure that you must be inside the house trying to do as much as possible for your baby. And going to the question and answers now. Yeah, I'm very much home. Digital_mommy, I'm very much home and I am doing good. I'm managing somehow because my child eats mostly the home cooked food, so I'm managing quite easily now. And yeah, the skin is, touch wood, now all okay. And he was very small when this happened. This started happening from a 3-month age, but since then I understood what has to be done and what we need to do. We have to over moisturize and try and be less chemical to be used around them. So no perfumes, no baby perfumes, nothing of that sort, no leftover on the skin. So all those things I feel has definitely helped me. So I'm just going to change the direction because I can't see too many things. Okay. Yeah. Can you see me? Okay, so one more question comes there. Shorani.w. So my neighbor's baby developed a few rashes due to heat and humidity. Do you think Atoderm would be preferable? I think so. Yes. Rashes? Yes. Please use that. Rashes is a skin thing, so definitely it will help you cure it, I think. But still, you have to try it on yourself also first and then try it for the baby. And I'm sure that will work. Skincare tips for a 6-year-old nephew. Guys, I'm so sorry. My son is just 9 months old, so I don't want to, give any tips for a 6-year-old baby, a child. But all I can say is use less. Less is more, and moisturize. Okay. And there is one more question. So Pranjal, you're asking any tips for moms during quarantine? Yes, moms, there are tips I want to give you. Just keep calm, use what is there at home, cook and give your child the best you can, the best home cooked food, and also try and take rest, try and make use of this time with your children, and also teach them something new every day. I don't know how old is your baby, but teach them something new every day. And I think that's one thing which we can do as mothers in the house. We can teach them something new, we can take care of ourselves. Like, I am learning something new every day. I like doing yoga at home. I think that's natural for your body, what the way you can take care of yourself. I like the redness which comes on your face, the blood flow which actually makes your face look nice and red once you are done with your workout session. So I like the feeling of that. I am learning a lot of things during this lockdown, and I hope that the the world will be a better place once all this is over, and I wish all this gets over very fast. So the perfect Gemini, you want to know activities for kids indoor. First you have to tell me that how old is your child. But I can still tell you, as I'm saying, you can teach them something new. You can also give them colors, see, explore what they what they do with it, what they make. Something new can be made out of leftovers. You can try baking with them. You can try teaching them to help you in small chores of the house. You can or you can play with them, you can teach them, you can give them books if you have. Or also you can teach them about fitness. Fitness is also very important when it comes to you and your children. If it is given at a good small age, then they learn right ways of being fit. Then they'll also learn how to be fit all through their life. And these are the things which you can teach when they are young. So all these things can be done when you get time, and now it's the best time when you can spend that quality time with your children. But okay, so there are more things which there are more questions which I think I would love to answer, but guys, there's less time now, so I will urge, ask your questions. Ria, hi Ria, how are you? For those who have joined just now, I want to tell you, we are talking about here about skincare here, and we're talking about a new baby soap bar coming in the market, which is a Bioderma Atoderm Pa baby soap bar, and it's a great moisturizing bar which is coming out, and that has two main things in the soap bar which takes care of baby skin entirely. These things are very naturally used in our kitchen when we make face masks, and that's shea butter and glycerine. I know how good shea butter is because I have used it during my pregnancy, and it actually saved me from getting those stretch marks. And I have also used glycerine in my face mask because my our grannies used to make those face masks with the glycerine. The glycerine had to be there those days, and I know how good these things are. And it doesn't disturb the balance, the oil, and the natural balance of your skin. And the best part is, even the mothers can use that. It's not only for kids, the mothers also can take benefit of it, because we also have to take care of our skin. We also want to look good. We also have to take the our skin also should look like babies and nice and young, and it doesn't really make the skin tight. The best part is, it doesn't give you that the itchiness, that rashes when you wash your face with the soap. Sometimes you will feel that it becomes extra dry and it looks very tight and the itchy tight. So this doesn't do that. It has a very good moisturizing effect. And now moving on to the next question, there is Nishita Rani, and okay, she's asking, hey, can you suggest a routine you follow with your baby? Yeah, I can suggest. Well, my baby gets up at 8:30, and then we give him breakfast. Breakfast is very natural. Maybe those baby biscuits we give him, or sometimes we give them apple poha. Apple and poha boiled together and grind it, and that's what my baby likes. He's 9 month old, and he's got now 3.5 teeth, so he can easily have that. And we give him apple poha, and that's again his playtime after that, followed by bath time. Post that, we give him a little, his toys and all to play around with, and a little more time to walk on the he's learning to walk actually. And then comes his meal time, that's his lunch. After post lunch, he sleeps for 2 hours, 2.5 hours, and gets up, and again he's fresh and energetic to play. Babies love playing actually, so they don't get tired like us. So then that's his playtime. And in the evening also, he has something like fruit or oats or something healthy, and he likes custard, so we try and make the custard with a pinch of sugar and sometimes no sugar. So that's also very good, and it's a dairy, but you have to cook the milk very nicely. It has to be boiled very nicely, and then the custard has to be made. And that's what he does. And again, in the night, the evening is the playtime. We play with him, we try and make him walk, we try and teach him things. And that's a fun time. That's a fun time we have in the evening. And in the night again, then he has his dinner, which is a very light thing, maybe a bowl of oats or anything like multigrain. And it's a home cooked thing. You can use the oats, what we eat at home, and just boil it and mix some fruit in it, and then you can give your baby. So that's it. And night, then we start with the milk routine. So before dinner, post dinner, before sleeping, he has his milk. And throughout the night, whenever he gets up, he has his milk. And early morning, when he gets up at 5, he again has his milk. And then he sleeps again. So that's a routine. And I'm sure I would love to answer. I'm sure that this information is helping you in some way. I hope. I am getting too many thumbs up. That means I have solved few of your problems. So any other question? Anyone wants to ask any question, please. By the way, also I would like to know, what are you guys doing in this quarantine period? Because staying at home is the safest thing which you can do right now. So please share, how are you managing with your baby? Even I would love to know. And okay. So since it's a rainy season which is approaching right now, I think even I feel sometimes, at the first time it rains, air is it gets very humid, it gets very heaty, and the weather becomes very erratic, and there's some type of pollution in the air. So that is the time I feel that you have to be very, very cautious with your skincare routine, even in the night. Because throughout the day, we take most of the precautions are taken throughout the day, and we feel only the sun rays are hitting us, and we are the skin is changing, it's getting affected. But no, even in the night, your skin lacks moisture when you sleep in the AC, and your skin becomes dry as soon as you get up in the morning. So a nighttime routine is again a very important thing, and don't miss out on those things. That's a very important routine you should follow in the night. The digital mommy wants to ask, I am managing work and baby together, and it's really tough. Okay, so I can understand. Yeah, it gets tough at times, but that's again, these days, I'm sure you will never forget, and when the baby will grow up, you will remember these days. So I'm so proud you all are managing with this, with work and baby at home. We women are multitaskers. So Akriti wants to know, playing with kiddo and making him do different activities involving him into the kitchen. Yeah, you can. I think babies love colors. So when they see different colors in the kitchen, like, we have vegetables, you can show them vegetables. You can teach them which vegetable is, what's the name of which vegetable. And you can teach a lot of things. Involve them in everything. So guys, it was fun talking to all of you, and I hope all the information I shared with you and my experiences were a little helpful. And I also wish to chat with you more often. I just want to tell you that try the Bioderma Atoderm Pass soap, and just let us know how you feel. It is one of the best thing coming out in the market. You can also use it for yourself and for your baby, especially for the baby, and you can also use it for yourself, and I'm sure it will take care of your dry and your sensitive skin. Take care guys, stay home,